everyone. Myself, Dr. Pooja, your own physiology faculty. And today we have Dr. Shravani with us, who has cracked the FMG 2025 exam with a wonderful, awesome score of 208. So, congratulations, Dr. Shravani. How are you feeling, beta?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Actually, I feel like it's so real, and so it's like all the chaos which was going in my head all for like past 6 years, 6 months chaos. It's all settled up now, and I'm very calm, and I'm so happy, and I'm just like can't express it. It just can't be expressed in the words.
ये फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट था बेटा आपका?
Yeah, ये फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट था.
फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में 208 क्रैक किया बेटा. रिजल्ट डे पे बताओ, हाउ वाज यू फीलिंग व्हेन यू सॉ द रिजल्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम? कैसा लगा आपको?
रिजल्ट एक्चुअली रिजल्ट डे पे ऐसा हुआ था कि आई वाज जस्ट सिटिंग, आई वाज जस्ट चिलिंग, लाइक आई वाज जस्ट प्लेइंग गेम, यू नो, एंड कुछ टाइम बाद आई गॉट टायर्ड, एंड आई वाज लाइक अ सडन गश ऑफ थॉट्स केम इनटू माय माइंड कि लेट्स जस्ट चेक माय व्हाट्सएप, लाइक कुछ आया होगा, कुछ रिजल्ट आया होगा, लेट्स जस्ट सी. तो आई चेक माय व्हाट्सएप एंड देयर वाज लाइक रिजल्ट्स आर आउट, ऑल द बेस्ट. And for past 13 to 14 days there has been like a prank going on in the groups, like result aa gaya, and I fell for that prank like 3-4 times. And फिर मुझे इस बार भी यही लगा कि यार ये तो प्रैंक ही होगा करके. तो स्टिल मुझे ऐसा था कि नहीं नहीं, चेक करते. So I went to Telegram page of the Cerebellum official page, and there I saw the results were uploaded, and all the faculty, they were saying like all the best, all the best, all the best. I was like, nahi sachi, is baar lag gaya result. Then I like rushed into my, went to my study room, and there my brother was also sitting, like he was also chilling. I said just like result aa gaya shayad, and we both were in like full panic mode. मेरे से तो मेरा रोल नंबर भी टाइप नहीं किया जा रहा था ऐसा. तो somehow I gathered courage and टाइप किया. लोडिंग हुआ, आया. मैंने तो सिर्फ ऐसा देखा कि पास. आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड, फाइनली पास ऐसे हो गई ऐसे. एंड माय ब्रदर वाज लाइक, मैंने मार्क्स भी नहीं देखे थे, आई जस्ट लुक्ड एट पास. माय ब्रदर वाज लाइक, यू आर नॉट जस्ट पास, लाइक you scored 208. I was like, yeah man, 208. That was just crazy moment. My mom was like बाहर गई थी for walk and all. वो आई, and I told her ki results are out, and all, and she was like, "Kya aaya?" She was like so nervous, "Kya aaya?" And I was thinking of pranking her, ki, "Arey, aisa hai." But looking to her face, मैंने सोचा कि नहीं नहीं, अभी नहीं, ये टाइम नहीं है. So I told her कि I pass 208. She was shocked. She was like, her voice was breaking and all. She was shaking, and even I looked at her, and even I started like shaking, and I broke out, and it was a very
Complete emotional and a joyful moment.
joyful moment. Yes.
All right. So take me through your journey, बेटा. आपने MBBS कहाँ से किया? आप MBBS में कैसे पढ़ते थे? And then for the FMG per se, कब से आपने preparation start करी?
So I studied from Georgian American University, Georgia, and the university was a bit, bit we could say hard with the exam. हमें इंस्टीट्यूशनल एग्जाम के लिए ही ज्यादा ऐसे प्रिपेयर करना पड़ता था. सो आई नेवर गॉट टाइम फॉर preparing FMG exam. So after my convocation and all, then only I saw the ad on like not ad, it was a video of Goga sir and Praveen sir of Cerebellum Mission 200 Plus, and there they were explaining about the Mission 200 classes, and I was like, yeah, this is what I need. क्योंकि पूरा scheduled था, everything was planned. So I was like, हाँ, I
आपको
want to
बस
join.
पढ़ना है, रेस्ट इज टेकन
आपको बस
केयर ऑफ.
पढ़ना है. They will just guide you. They will just sail your boat, and you just have to write that book. So like 5 months or 6 months, I prepared for it, just 5 or 6 months.
All right. So what I feel, beta, कि जो आपने बोला कि university was very strict, right? You have to study for the passing the years, or you can say the exams, main university exams. I think from there you had the orientation and built concepts which actually help you to gain this much of the score, because coming here and started preparing from the scratch is going to be a little bit difficult, to cross 200, I feel.
Yeah, actually, I had a basic knowledge of most of the subjects due to university. So yeah, mission classes helped me like to move
It's
on
just a
further.
direction which you got later on कि क्या करना है आपको and क्या छोड़ना है, but your foundation was already prepared, right? आपको orientation था कि ये subject में ये होता है, इसमें ये होता है, this is the concept, right? So I feel that actually help you out, right? And what about the PYQs and question banks or late night PYQ, midday modules, GTs, ENDs, ये सब देते थे आप?
Yeah, actually, क्या था कि when I started this mission classes, then the first lecture was of pharma, I guess, and then it was of physio. And I, मुझे थोड़ा time लगा to cope up with the subjects and the teachers. फिर जैसे ही like path मिला, तो I was just like, हाँ नहीं ये सही है. फिर like physio के बाद there was first GT, and I gave that GT. GT में इतना अच्छा स्कोर भी नहीं आया था. It was like passing 150 dot. So I was like, मेहनत तो बहुत करनी पड़ेगी ऐसा. Then I gave like PYQs daily. I used to solve PYQs, and daily I used to solve 200 questions. And I used to like wake up in the morning. I used to solve 50 questions. Then I used to attend the lectures. Actually, I have a very bad habit, you can say, of watching videos in 2x speed. So I used to watch those videos. I used to complete it like quickly, and then I used to have time for solving extra MCQs, or watching extra videos, VTR videos. So yeah.
So, beta, you followed one platform. Students have a lot of FOMO, lot of anxiety, unnecessary, confusion is there in the market. So, how you protected yourself from that?
FOMO, like FOMO हुआ था. Initially FOMO हुआ था कि ट्रस्ट करना चाहिए क्या, 100% ट्रस्ट करना चाहिए, लाइक क्या होगा क्या नहीं. बट देन आई रियलाइज कि सब कुछ थ्योरी में कवर नहीं हो सकता. यू विल हैव टू गिव MCQs. You will have to solve MCQs. जितने MCQs सॉल्व करोगे उतना रिविजन होगा. जितना रिविजन होगा उतना सारा सिलेबस स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, कवर हो जाएगा. सो वही फिर बाद में एट द एंड ऑफ द जर्नी, लाइक last 2 months or 1 month, I was having complete focus on MCQs. So I used to solve 300 MCQs a day, and solving MCQs, and after solving MCQs I used to review it from notes. So revision हो जाता था सब.
All right, so solve more MCQs and then review your mistakes so that that does not occur again, right? So that is your, go through message from this. Now tell me, how was your exam day?
Oh my God, the exam day, like I was so so scared to give exam. पता था मुझे कि the exam is gonna be tough because पिछला attempt was easy. तो prepared थी कि हाँ tough होगा, but I never expected these kind of questions. So yeah, day by day FMG is getting tougher. So we should prepare it with questions, GTs, give maximum GTs. And the day when the exam was occurring, मैं तो मतलब first before exam I was very confident कि हाँ 200 पार तो हो जाएगा. Then I sat for the exam. पहला question was of physiology and ठीक है solve हो गया. But first paper was tough for me. फर्स्ट पेपर देख के ऐसे हुआ था यार, अभी तो क्या ही होगा, अभी कुछ नहीं हो सकता ऐसा. बट माय फ्रेंड ही सेड कि टेंशन मत ले, सेकंड पेपर इजी आएगा, सेकंड पेपर इजी आएगा. आई वाज लाइक ठीक है सेकंड पेपर इजी आएगा. तो सेकंड पेपर भी दिया. इट वाज मॉडरेट, लाइक नॉट सो टफ, नॉट सो इजी. आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, पर I was not expecting like more than 200, and now it's 208.
So basically, what you wanted to say कि first you were confident, but first set आपका थोड़ा सा इधर उधर चला गया. You were losing your confidence after the first set, but then you trusted the process. You gave the second you can say the set, right? And thanks to your friend that you had the support of him, right? And you basically trusted the process and came out through that set also very wonderfully. Any last advice or any tip you wanted to give to the aspirants or the juniors whomsoever are going to give the upcoming exams, beta?
Yeah, so I would just like to say कि just trust the process. If like they are joining the Mission 200 classes, just trust the Mission 200 classes blindly, because all the teachers, all the faculty are awesome. And I never felt like I was like having any stress or any kind of burden. सारे teachers, like they were so entertaining and funny way में सब syllabus complete हो गया था. तो पहले तो आई वाज लाइक ऐसे थी कि कैसे होगा, 19 सब्जेक्ट्स कैसे हो गए, बट देन हो गया सब. और सजेशन यही होगा कि trust the process, just do daily MCQs, like 200 daily MCQs, and GTs, weekly GTs though. And family, friends अच्छे रखो. Just like I said, my friend, he guided me so well. I was like, हर GT के बाद I used to like मैं नहीं कर सकती. I used to lose hopes, and he used to guide me कि नहीं हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं है, हो जाएगा, कर लेगी, 200 के ऊपर तो आ ही जाएगा ऐसा. So yeah, keep good friends around you. Family तो है ही, and yeah, just this much. Nothing else, nothing more.
So,
and yeah, one more thing.
yeah.
Like whenever I used to have low days, कुछ करने का मन नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ देखने का मन नहीं हो रहा है, I used to say कि now also I suggest students कि watch anatomy lectures of Shrikant sir. They are actually stress busters. Like nothing can beat those lectures.
Definitely, I will tell Shrikant sir also from my side too, that Shravani said so, that your lectures are stress busters. Wonderful. So thank you, Dr. Shravani, for joining and for sharing your journey with us and with upcoming aspirants, right? And definitely we would love you to come to Cerebellum and enjoy celebrate your success with us, right? And definitely we want you to crack the NEET PG and have a lot more success in the future also, right?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Congratulations, beta, once again, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Enjoy it. Enjoy.